Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I am going to discuss with you a very common and very major problem faced by every English learner. So the problem is like this, ma'am, I really want to be fluent in English but I don't know how to start thinking English, because this is the something that every teacher said that if you really want to speak in English, so you need to start thinking English. But how to do this? Because it's very difficult to start think in a different language. Okay, so in today's video I am going to share with you my experience, how did I overcome this type of problem, and how to start thinking English in an easy way. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so this is a common problem, like how to start thinking English. Yes, because you know English is a different language. It's a secondary or third language, and we are blessed with our native language. I mean to say, we easily speak in our native language. We easily do conversation with someone in our native language without any effort, because it is happened because you know we are living in an area where our native language generally speaks. So because of this we can easily do conversation with someone in our native language. But when it comes to another language like English, so we feel tired, we feel, oh, it's very difficult language, how to start thinking English, it's very difficult task. But yes, it's true that if you really want to speak in English, so you need to start thinking English. But how to do this? It's very difficult language. So here I am going to share with you my experience. Also I am going to share with you some points, some methods which helped me a lot. And if it helped me, then this will also help you, believe me. Okay. So the first thing is that what you need to do, you are thinking like how to start thinking English, but here I am just share with you a point that is very true. No one can deny it, that we, you know, currently right now we are using some English words when we try to speak with someone in our native language. So we generally use lots of English words in conversation. Okay, so here I am going to give you this example. So this is a Hindi. I am mentioning here Hindi because there are so many viewers. Their native language is Hindi, so that's why I am mentioning here Hindi. You can fix Hindi with your native language. Where are you living? From any land? You can fix this Hindi from your native language. Okay, so this is a Hindi and this is English. What we generally do, we use lots of Hindi and few words of English. First I am going to share with you what you need to do, and then I will share with you how to do this, and with whom to do this. Okay, this is a level we generally use lots of our native language, I mean to say Hindi mix up with English, and English is mixed up with Hindi. Use this method very conscious way. Okay, we have to use lots of words English, okay, while conversation with someone in this way, and it will slowly your Hindi level, Hindi words decreasing, and it will happen with conscious practice. Okay, after some months you feel your Hindi is decreasing, Hindi words are decreasing and English words are increasing in this way. Okay, and do this thing very consciously, because subconscious it will not come to you, because we are not living in an area where English can easily speak. Okay, we have to expose ourselves with English. So for this we have to do this practice. We have to use this method very consciously in a beginning time. What we need to do, you need to just use more English words while conversation with someone. In this way, your native language, your Hindi, will decrease slowly, and here your English level will increasing, will be increasing slowly. Okay, and so this is how to do this. Okay, second point is that with whom to do this, because we have not any partner. So here I'm going to share with you my experience. How did I follow this method? Because at that time I had no one with whom I can practice in English. So I used to myself. But how? Because this method will start from inside you. But how? Because we have a practice to speak with own self. No one can deny it. It's a human nature. Okay, so whenever you get some time, try to speak in English. Switch your native language into English. Use more English words while speaking to yourself, not others. While speaking to yourself, you need to do this practice with yourself. So these methods emerge from yourself, and it is happening to yourself, from yourself and to yourself. Yani, I mean to say, you are playing here two roles. Okay, you are going to speak in English with yourself, and this process happening to you. Okay, you get my point, what I am trying to say here. First you need to follow this method very consciously, because in a beginning time you feel very scared, you feel very tired, and it will drain you. You feel okay, it's very horrible language, it's very difficult language, I can't do this, pull this journey anymore, I don't want to learn this language. Initially time you will feel, but slowly when you do this practice, then your English will decrease. Okay, sorry, your native language will decrease. Okay, so in this way your English level would be increasing, and your English Hindi level or other native language decreasing. Okay, yeah. And yes, this is called think in English. This is called think in English. You don't need to follow other method for think in English. Okay, I am living here, I am standing here, so I just try to say some words from from myself to myself. So this methods is happening from you to you. Okay, use this methods. This is a wonderful methods. It is just like learning another skill. Other skill, I just want to share with you my experience, because learning any other skill initially time it's very difficult. You need to do this other skill. For learning other skill, you need to give your effort very consciously, because when I was learning how to drive a car, so yes, every time when I was sleeping, when I was thinking something, every time I thought that okay, this is my brake, this is my accelerator. Okay, if someone suddenly come in front of my car when I was while I was driving, so this is my right foot, I need to put this foot on this place. Okay, this is the right leg that I have to put on this on this point, I mean to say brake. Okay, every time I used to think this thing very consciously, and but after 1 month I feel okay, I can drive my car very subconscious, I don't need to think so much. Okay, suddenly my leg come to the proper place when suddenly someone comes in front of my car, so I do this without any thinking. Okay, so this is the same way of learning this language. You need to do practice, you need to give your effort in a initially time very consciously, but after some time you will deliver your words, you will deliver your sentence in English without thinking. Okay, it will happen automatically, but initially time you need to give your effort, you need to, it will drain your energy. Initially time you feel more tired, you feel okay, it's very difficult language, I can't pull this journey. But believe me, please, believe on my experience. Initially time, okay, it will drain your energy, it will take your effort, but after some months you feel like you are the master in English. Think in English now. This will not your problem. Okay, you are far ahead from your problem, where you are standing with this problem, like how to start think in English. Okay, so yes, this is my experience that I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I have to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.